Hey everyone, back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Swastik. So this is the box which I've just got, and this contains a device which I've wanted for a very long period of time. So let's get ahead and unbox this package. This is my knife. I bought it from my kitchen. And this is my Kindle. Okay, this nothing else in the box. Just throw it away. Okay, so this is the box. The box is very sleek. As you can see, I like it. It is not that heavy yet. The designing is very unique, I would say. I've never seen a packaging reader is like a tablet, and I've never seen a device like a tablet coming in a package like this. So you can understand there is no charger in the box. So let me just show you. This is the 10th generation Kindle. As you can see, it is a 6-inch touch display. The PPI is 167, that is the pixel per inch, and it has a built-in light, Wi-Fi and 8GB variant. So the price quoted here is, as you can see, 7,999. But let me show you my bill. I actually bought it during the Amazon Republic Day sale. I think that's what it is called, for at exactly 6,799 rupees, as you can see. And extra, I think I got a discount of about 10% in the SBI credit card. There was an additional offer. The MRP during the flash sale was 6,799, as you can see the bill right here. Okay, so here is the seal, and you need to cut it right here. I don't know if I'm doing that the right way. Okay. Okay. The box has nothing else. So this is the package. I think they've changed the packaging. So here first comes the manual. As you can see, it is a startup guide. Charging socket is right here, and the power button is also right here. And this is our user manual, I guess. Yes, it is. And here you get a USB type A to micro USB charging cable. No charger. And at last, this is the device. Nothing else in the case right here. So as you can see, this is the Kindle device itself, and it is very small, I would say. As you can see, this is the size of my hands, and it actually directly fits in right here. As a reference, this is my Poco X3 right here, and this is the Kindle. So as you can see, it is actually smaller in height than my Poco X3 as well, and thickness, it's around 1.5 times, I would say. So if I place it on the device, it is just like, as you can see, you can have an idea about the screen. Okay, so now I'm removing the plastic wrap. And as you can see, this is the device. So this is fully made up of plastic. It is plastic. This is plastic. The screen is also plastic. It is very light. It's very light to hold in your hands. Okay, so now just power it on. As you can see, the screen light is actually glowing, and it is setting itself, I guess. This actually doesn't have the dark mode. The dark mode is not present in this Kindle. It is actually present in the Kindle Paperwhite. But the best thing about Amazon selling Kindle is that you can actually return it if you are not satisfied with it, or it might be possible that you want to upgrade to a better variant. If you want to upgrade from this 10th generation to the Paperwhite generation, and you can do so, you can return it and ask for a refund. So just that's keeping those thoughts aside. Let me just set up the language, English United Kingdom. As you can see, it says preparing your device. So high contrast display, read without screen glare, weeks of battery life, and holds thousands of books. These are actually the 4 main features what you get with the device. And the most important part of owning a Kindle is that you don't actually get a lot of distractions. You can actually use the Kindle app which is present in your phone, but this actually has a lot of distractions. While as you can see, these notifications will come and keep distracting you while you are reading. Your Instagram is there, your WhatsApp is there, your Twitter is there, and your Kindle is also there. So you can't really focus on Kindle while you're reading something, because these things, these WhatsApp, Instagram and Twitter is always going to fetch your attention whenever a new notification actually comes in. So in that regard, this thing actually plays a very important role. So I just opened the box right here and it says 41% battery remaining, as you can see. And let me just go ahead and connect it with my Wi-Fi. This is my Wi-Fi, D-Link. The touch sensitivity is not that great, I would say. So let me just fill in my Wi-Fi password. So this actually is asking for my Amazon password. So here you can see the latency while I type. So here you will be getting a, as you can see, there is a certain bit of a latency while I type. This is not as smooth as your smartphone, because in your smartphone you can actually what the feedback what you get, the touch response rate is a lot lower in this device. As you can see, I can show you right here. If I press G, first of all I need to press it a lot more harder than I am used to with my smartphone. And second of all, after I press, there is a certain time gap, delay, after which the thing actually gets reflected in your screen. So that is a thing you need to keep in mind. Okay, so now it is asking me for, I've just set it up and it is asking me to set up this Kindle Goodreads. I don't know what is it, and it's saying me that it's an Amazon company first of all, and get more out of a Kindle, tap to turn on account. Let me just skip it. I can enable it at a later time. So the first thing what I notice in this device is that the screen is not glossy. The screen is a matte finish display. Yes, if you want to read something, that is a good thing. And by the time of setting up, the Kindle has lost its 1% battery life. That is a thing to note. Okay, so as you can see, it has actually detected my accounts and all the things that I actually read on my mobile Kindle. So these are the books I was reading. That is the climate change. This is the Bhagavad Gita and all other reading list. Your library. Let me go to my library. So as you can see, I have come to my library. And these are the books. I am very happy to see that these are the books actually got automatically synchronized here. These are the books which I have read in my mobile Kindle app. As you can see, this is my library. These are books are actually got synchronized into my this Kindle device. That's a good thing. Very good thing. Yes, deep work. As you can see, Million Miles and 1,000 Years. It's a very good book which I have read. Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich, How to Avoid a Climate Disaster. Deep. I don't know why the screen actually keeps on flashing itself. Eat That Frog is a very good book which I was actually reading, and I think it is actually downloading. Yeah, item downloaded. I get a notification right here. 0% downloading. As you can see, 84%. And if I click it once more, as you can see, the screen cover has come. If I click it once more, it's showing me opening. Welcome to your book. Tap the right side to turn on the page, left side to go to the previous page. Tap the top of the page to display the toolbar to the close book. Okay. Let me go to the settings and adjust the brightness. As you can see, it has got 24 levels of brightness. It even has a airplane mode. As you can see, this is the lowest brightness that it can go to. The screen light is actually completely off right now. I don't know if you can notice it. The screen light is completely off right now. And this actually doesn't look like a paper to me. As you can see, this can be compared to a paper. As you can see, this can be compared to a paper, but this is, at this time, I cannot compare it to a paper. I don't know what is the problem. Let me go to the settings once again. And as you can see, I don't know if you can notice it. So I think I can notice the difference after a level 7. I can notice that the brightness is actually increasing a bit. And this is the maximum brightness to which the Kindle can go to at level 24. Let me go to device options, display cover. Okay, so the display cover book feature, I have turned it on. Let me go to the accessibility and see if there is any dark. Voice screen reader provides spoken feedback when you touch the item on the screen. If you have this option, this means that this Kindle device has as a speaker in it, because it says voice view screen reader provides spoken feedback when you touch the items on the screen. So that means it has got a speaker. Reading options, page refresh, vocabulary builder, it's turned on. The navigation is very slow, I would say. Compared to a smartphone, the navigation in this device is a lot slower. And you can say that it is actually testing my patience right here. If you are reading, then I don't think so that should matter a lot. But now it is just actually, I'm actually becoming very annoyed when you have to go through the settings and check different things, because I am actually used to mobile, and the mobile is a lot more faster than this in every way. Okay, so the font size increment decrement is right here. As you can see, the font size are decreased. So this actually has support for portrait as well as landscape. That's a good thing. Show clock while reading. Okay, so it is a good thing to see the clock while you're reading. It actually shows the clock in the phone, the mobile phone app. There is no dark mode in here. I was actually searching for the dark mode if it is available, but no, it is not here. As you can see, in the font size, it's not there. In the layout, it's not there. In the more section, it is not there. Themes, if I go to the themes, there is no dark theme. Customize, compact, standard, large and low vision. Okay, so the battery has decreased to 37%. By the time it got set up, it was at 40%. What are you reading doesn't have a cover. So I actually installed this book from another source. If you don't know how to install books into your Kindle from another source, I've made 2 videos regarding that. 2 videos. So if you have not seen that, it will be linked in the I button over here. You can click them on right now, or it will always be present in the description box. So Kindle, if you have a Kindle device, you always don't need to purchase the books to while you are reading. You can actually import books into this via PC or via your computer or via your mail, I would rather say. So if you want that kind of video, I will make a video about that, how you can import third-party books into these Kindle devices. I have actually made a video regarding that, in which I showed you how you can put third-party books downloaded from another websites into a Kindle app. I am going to make the same video regarding that for this Kindle device as well. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe to my channel. And this is all about the first impressions for this device. That is the Kindle 6th generation. No, this is the Kindle 10th generation, 6-inch 167 ppi variant. And this is not the Paperwhite variant. This is the normal Kindle 10th generation right here. So that is it for the unboxing and initial impressions for this Kindle. If you have liked this video for whatsoever reason, consider hitting the like button. If you have any questions, or if you have got any topics regarding which I can make videos about that could help you, please let me know them in the comment section given below. You can even DM me your Instagram and Twitter directly, link in the description box given below. And that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace. Oh, so another thing, this Kindle software is just updating right now. Your Kindle software is updating. This can take a few minutes. Do not turn on the device. And yes, okay, so it started updating itself. It didn't ask me for a permission. That's sad. Anyways, see you guys in the next video. Take care.